Welcome to Tiny Mike Tuesdays, where we highlight town departments and happenings. On August 22nd, the town's annual free chlorination process will begin. It'll run through September 12th. To learn more about the process and its impacts on our utility customers, we're here with Allyson Felsburg from our utilities department. So Allyson, tell us why the free chlorination process is needed.
So this process is an annual proactive approach to ensure the longevity of our distribution system.
And how will it affect our utility customers here in Jupiter?
Some customers may notice an increased taste or smell of chlorine in their water, and some customers may notice some utility personnel flushing hydrants.
And the question everyone wants to ask, is the free chlorination process safe?
Yes, it's actually used by many utilities across the country and is recommended by the Florida Department of Health and the Federal Environmental Protection Agency.
Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Tiny Mike Tuesdays. For more information about our free chlorination process, visit jupiter.fl.us/chlorine and make sure to tune in for our next episode.